Hey there, Defender fans. I'm Rich from Blackbridge Motors. Behind me is the iconic Land Rover Defender 110. Restoring a Defender is a true labor of love, a journey that turns these vehicles into personal expressions of originality. But as top industry builders will tell you, this process is incredibly complex, with delivery sometimes taking 18 months to 2 years. At Blackbridge, we've spent the past decade perfecting Defender restorations to an exceptional standard. Restoring a Defender often involves battling poor body alignment, unpredictable parts quality, and outdated components, easily contributing to increased labor costs and delivery delays. Today, we're introducing a game-changing innovation to smooth out the building process and provide a new, unparalleled driving experience for Defender owners everywhere. Introducing the Mark X chassis. Let's talk specifics. The Mark X isn't just a chassis. It's an entirely reimagined platform delivered as a rolling solution, completely outfitted with reliable, performance-based components, built with precision 5-axis laser-cut frame rails and modular design. This chassis ensures flawless body alignment and durability. The advanced suspension system, developed with Fox Racing componentry, provides exceptional handling and ride comfort. Heavy-duty axles, brakes, and a robust drivetrain featuring GM's LT or LS engine, 8L90 8-speed automatic, and Atlas 2.0 transfer case delivers unmatched performance both on and off the road. Every element, from the fuel system to steering and accessory integration, is designed for reliability, ease of service, and modern functionality. Compared to an OEM chassis option, the Mark X simplifies the restoration process with a 90-day delivery time. We've eliminated OEM retrofit headaches to enhance precision and amplify performance. For builders, this means less headaches and happier customers. For Defender owners, it's the key to a modernized, dependable ride that's uniquely yours. Friends and family will love the smooth ride comfort and reliability and overall driving experience. And let's not forget, the Mark X is easier to service and maintain. Visit our website at blackbridgemotors.com or contact a team member to get started. The Mark X chassis from Blackbridge. Innovation through engineering. Happy motoring.